Did you know that a single dollar, invested wisely and given time to grow, can blossom into a significant sum? It might seem hard to believe, but the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and the journey to financial freedom can begin with just a single dollar. This is the essence of the power of small beginnings. It's true, the magic of compound interest allows your money to make more money, creating a snowball effect that can lead to surprising wealth. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It works by earning interest on your initial investment, and then earning interest on the interest itself, causing your money to grow at an accelerating rate. Many people believe that you need a fortune to start investing, but that simply isn't true. In fact, some of the most successful investors started with very little. The key is to start with what you have, and to be consistent. Even small, regular contributions can add up over time. Even a small amount of money invested consistently can set you on the path to financial security. It's not about how much you start with, but about the habit of investing regularly. This habit can help you build a strong financial foundation and give you peace of mind for the future. The key is to start early and be consistent. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Consistency is crucial because it helps you take advantage of the power of compound interest. By making regular contributions, you can build a substantial nest egg over time. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. The longer your money is invested, the more opportunity it has to grow exponentially. This is why it's so important to start as soon as possible. Even if you can only invest a small amount, starting early can make a big difference in the long run. The longer your money is invested, the more opportunity it has to grow exponentially. Think of it like planting a tree. A small seedling may seem insignificant at first, but with time, care, and nourishment, it can grow into a mighty oak. The same principle applies to your investments. Think of it like planting a tree. When you plant a seed, you don't see immediate results. It takes time for the seed to germinate, sprout, and grow into a tree. But with patience and care, that small seed can grow into something magnificent. A small sapling may seem insignificant at first, but with time, care, and nourishment, it can grow into a mighty oak. This is a powerful metaphor for investing. Your initial investment may seem small, but with time and consistent contributions, it can grow into a substantial sum. The same principle applies to your investments. By starting small and being consistent, you can harness the power of compound interest and time to grow your wealth. Remember, every great financial journey begins with a single step. So take that step today and start investing in your future. You don't need a windfall or an inheritance to start building wealth. Many people believe that you need a large sum of money to begin investing, but that's simply not true. You can begin your investment journey with as little as $100. This small amount can be the seed that grows into a substantial financial future. That's right, just the cost of a dinner out or a few trips to the coffee shop. Think about the small expenses you incur daily or weekly. Redirecting just a portion of that money towards investments can make a significant difference over time. Now you might be thinking, what can I possibly achieve with just $100? It may seem insignificant, but it's a powerful start. The answer is, more than you think. By investing consistently, even small amounts can compound over time, leading to substantial growth. Investing even a small amount like $100 allows you to dip your toes into the world of investing. It's a way to get started without feeling overwhelmed. It's about building the habit of setting aside money regularly and putting it to work for you. Consistency is key. Over time, these small investments can grow, thanks to the power of compound interest. Think of it as buying a ticket to the game. Once you have that ticket, you're in. You have access to opportunities that can change your financial future. Once you're in the game, you have the opportunity to learn the rules, develop your strategy, and potentially score big. The world of investing is vast and full of potential. By starting with just $100, you open the door to learning and growing your wealth. Educate yourself, stay informed, and keep investing. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your first investment is that step. Welcome to the game. Let's address the elephant in the room, the misconception that you need to be wealthy to start investing. This couldn't be further from the truth. The financial industry often focuses on high net worth individuals, leaving many people feeling like investing is out of reach. But the truth is, anyone can be an investor, regardless of their income level. Investing is not just for the rich and famous. It's for everyone who wants to take control of their financial future. In fact, starting small can be incredibly empowering. It allows you to learn the ropes, make adjustments along the way, and gain the confidence to gradually increase your investment amounts as your income grows. So, you have your $100 ready to go. This might not seem like a lot, but with the right strategy, it can be the start of something much bigger. The key is to make informed decisions, and to understand the various options available to you. Now what? The good news is, there are numerous investment options available even for those starting small. Whether you're looking to dip your toes into the stock market, explore the world of bonds, or even venture into real estate, there's something for everyone. Let's explore a few popular choices, each with its own set of benefits and risks. Understanding these can help you make the best decision for your financial future. Fractional shares. Many online brokerage accounts now allow you to purchase fractional shares, which are portions of individual company stocks. This is a great way to get started without needing a large sum of money up front. This means you can invest in companies like Apple or Amazon with just a small amount of money. Imagine owning a piece of your favorite tech giant without breaking the bank. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. ETFs are like baskets of stocks that track a particular index, sector, or investment strategy. They offer a way to diversify your investments without having to pick individual stocks. They offer instant diversification, spreading your risk across multiple holdings. This can be particularly beneficial for new investors who want to minimize risk while still participating in the market. Micro-investing apps. These apps allow you to invest your spare change by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. It's a simple and effective way to start investing without even noticing the impact on your daily budget. It's a painless and automated way to start building a portfolio. Over time, these small investments can grow significantly, helping you to build a solid financial foundation for the future. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to diversify your existing portfolio, these tools can help you make the most of your $100 investment. You might be wondering, can I really grow my wealth by investing just small amounts? The answer is a resounding yes. While there are no guarantees in the stock market, history has shown that over the long term, the market tends to go up. This means that your small investments have the potential to grow significantly over time. Moreover, investing small amounts regularly allows you to take advantage of dollar-cost averaging, a strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This helps to mitigate the effects of market volatility as you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Let's look at a real-life example of how starting small can lead to significant wealth. Meet Sarah, a young professional who started investing $50 a week in a low-cost index fund at the age of 25. She consistently contributed to her investment account, rain or shine, for 30 years. By the time Sarah reached 55, her initial investment of just $78,000 had grown to over $500,000, thanks to the power of compound interest. Sarah's story is a testament to the fact that you don't need to be a financial whiz or have a high income to build wealth. Consistency, discipline, and a long-term perspective are the key ingredients to success in investing. The most important step you can take is to simply start. Don't let fear, procrastination, or the misconception that you need a lot of money hold you back from investing in your future. Remember, even small amounts invested wisely and consistently can grow into a substantial nest egg over time. So what are you waiting for? Take that first step today. Open an investment account, choose an investment strategy that aligns with your goals, and start investing that $100. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with a little discipline and a lot of time. Investing is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way, but the important thing is to stay the course and never stop learning. Share your investment experiences, ask questions, and seek guidance from reputable financial advisors. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that can help you achieve your financial goals. So, let's embark on this exciting journey to financial freedom together.